Dear student, now I give lecture on labeling of three-phase transformer terminals. So that transformer terminal marking is very important for polarity test of three-phase transformers or single-phase transformers. Because if the polarity changes means that we can't synchronize two transformers, and then particularly for three-phase transformers and then single-phase transformer also, that means the labeling is very important for transformer terminal marking only. First we studied about the star transformer. You see that figure star three-phase transformer only. So in this case you see A1, that is all the starting terminal of the three phases are short circuited. That is the capital letters. So capital A1, capital B1, capital C1 is the starting winding of the three phases, all to make the star connection. And then A2, B2, capital A2, B2, C2, we can take the three phases ABC. So in this case, you remember and all, the capital letter, that means should be labeled, that means that is the indicated for, that means HV side only. And then the terminal of each face of the LV side should be labeled as a small letter ABC. So you can keep it in your mind. Capital letter means HV side, small letter means LV side only. Star connection, you know how to make the star connection. Either starting end of the three faces are join together to make a neutral point and then star point. Otherwise finishing end of the three phase winding to make a star point. So but here we can starting end of the three phases to form a star point. This is the star connection of a three phase transformer. Now you see the delta connection. In the delta connection you see, that means the starting end, that is the A1, whether that is the small A1 or capital A1, no problem. So the both, that means what? The starting end of the one phase is connected to the finishing end of the another phase, that is the B2. So the A1 B2 connected, B1 C2 connected, C1 is A2 connected. This is the delta formation. Okay. So similarly in the LV side also, small letter represents for LV side, no. So therefore how to make delta connection? Starting end of the one phase is connected to the finishing end of the next phase. Like that you can make a delta connection only. So in the delta connections and all, that means the one, that is the suffixed terminal of each phase primary winding will be connected with 2, that is the suffixed terminal of the next phase primary winding only. So in this case and all, so there is no phase difference between the similar line voltage in the primary and secondary, because this is the delta transformer connection is 0 degree connection only. 0 degree connection only. Then star delta connection. In the star delta connection you see capital letter means what? HV winding. HV winding is a star connection and then LV winding is the delta. Here there is no primary and secondary. Carefully you have to listen here. The labeling capital letter and small letter only represents high voltage side and low voltage side only, not primary and secondary of the transformer. So this is very important. So the star delta of three phase transformer connection is nothing but what? The capital letter HV. HV side star connection, LV side, that means delta connection only. The next delta star connection. In the delta star connection is nothing but what? That means HV side delta, LV side star, that is small letter, that is the LV side, that is the star connection only. So the delta star connection of three-phase transformer is similar to, that means star delta connection only. Okay. So, if the anyone interchanges HV side and LV side of star delta transformer, simply becomes delta star connected three-phase transformer only. So, the main thing you remember, the capital letter represents the HV winding, the small letter represents the LV winding. That means the HV winding labeled as capital letter, the LV winding labeled as small letter. The next delta zigzag transformer also same, star zigzag transformer also same only. The HV winding and L winding. So in this case, that is the what are the choice between the star connection and the delta connection of a three-phase transformer? We got to so first we can go to in star transformer. The star transformer, that means VH means H. H is the HV winding. HV winding also star connection. LV winding also star connection. VH represents what? That means that is star connection, that is the star for HV winding. VL also star for LV winding. This is in the star connection what? That is the voltages. That is the V phase voltage is equal to VL by root 3 only, like that. So therefore the VP VS means is not the phase voltage, that is the primary voltage, and the secondary side, the VP by root 3. Normally star connection what? Phase voltage is equal to, that is the VL by root 3 only. So similarly VP means primary voltage, VS means secondary voltage. So therefore VP by VS equal to VH by VL. So therefore VH is equal to K into VL. KL is nothing but what? That means K, that is the secondary side, that means divided by, that is the primary side only, that is the voltage, that is VP by VS. VP by VS is equal to K. So the voltage difference between the HV voltage and the LV winding is VH minus VL. That is the difference. That is equal to VP minus VS equal to K minus 1 into VS. This is for star transformer. But star delta transformer is nothing but what? That is the star delta means HV side star connection, LV side delta. So delta means what? Line voltage is equal to phase voltage only. Star connection means phase voltage equal to VL by root 3 only. So therefore this is the, and that's why VH means star side, that is HV side, VL means delta. So therefore the voltage difference between HV winding and LV winding what? VH minus VL same only, but the difference VP by root 3 minus VS means finally we are getting K divided by root 3 minus 1 into secondary voltage. You know the compare star transformer formula, K minus 1 into secondary voltage. Here and all K divided by root 3 minus 1 into VS only. Then next delta star connection. In the delta star connection you see, that means delta is the HV winding, star is the LV winding. So therefore HV side line voltage is equal to phase voltage, but star side, that means the phase voltage is equal to VL by root 3. So the voltage difference between the HV winding and the LV winding is equal to VH minus VL only formula, but you see here K minus 1 by root 3 time of VS. So in this case, case 1, case 2, case 3. First case 1, the voltage difference between the HV winding and the LV winding. In this case we are taking the, in this case we are taking 132/33 kV transformer, case equal to 4. The case 1 is 4 minus 1 VS, that is 3 into VS. So the voltage difference between HV side, and that means the first one is case 1 what? Star, and then case 2 means star delta, and then case 3 means delta star. This is some one example. We are taking 132/33 means 132 what? HV side, 33 bar kV is nothing but the LV side only. This is the step down transformer only. So student, in this lecture video you clearly understand how to label the transformer terminals is very important.